Hey everyone! Do you know how to batch convert CAD to high-res PDF in just one time? I'm super excited to show you this slick little tool, CADreader. Let's open a CAD file with multiple sheets. Click the Batch Export PDF function. Then we'll see all the drawings have been automatically identified. If the drawing is not automatically identified, you can use the Add Frame function to capture the corner points of the frame and select them to recognize. The next step, based on your needs, to choose paper size, print orientation, and whether in color or not. Do you need to display different line weight to distinguish content? Do you want to display the annotations added with CADreader? And you can export PDF with layers to hide certain parts, allowing for a more flexible viewing experience. Finally, choose whether to export as multiple individual PDF files or as a combined PDF file based on your needs. And then click Export to complete the process. Boom! From a tedious half-day task to a 2-minute coffee break. That's hours saved every week. It's that simple, that powerful. If you regularly export multiple drawing sheets, the Batch Export PDF feature in CADreader is the most reliable solution.